Hey there. So today we're going to learn about baking a frozen pizza, and we're going to go through a few of the steps, how to get it, where to get it, and I'll walk you through the lighting of the oven, as well as how we want to choose our dish that we're going to bake the pizza in. We'll skip the 16-minute bake time, and we'll hop straight into the finished product. So first, we're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. However your oven's able to set that, go ahead and do it. You don't want to set it higher because then the cheese will burn. Too low and your pizza is going to dry out, the cheese won't melt. Next, we get our pizza from the freezer. I go with a brand from Safeway that my kid loves. We can also pull our equipment that we need. There's a non-stick bacon tray. That works really well for the pizza, but my favorite is the stone pizza tray. It gives a nice crisp crust. Lastly, we need our oven mitts and a pizza cutter. So let's remove our pizza from the packaging. I tend to rip the box along those perforations, not very elegant, but it saves me just a little time. Also, though I don't show it here, remove the plastic wrapping and the cardboard. You don't want to put those in, they're gonna get ignited like fire in your oven. You can see my kiddo in the background waiting, playing. He's eager, very eager. He loves his pizza and it's Pizza Friday, so he wants it badly. So the oven's at 425. We're going to place the pizza in the oven, ideally on the center rack. But I'm using a smaller of my two ovens today, and it only has one rack. I'm also going to use the stone pizza dish today. As I said, my son loves that crisp crust from the extra heat. Normally, I'll preheat the stone as well to ensure that it doesn't crack due to sudden exposure to heat. At this point, remember, the oven is hot, so remember not to touch it. I'm using a mitt as an extra precaution. While the overall cook time is 16 minutes, I set a timer for 13, allowing me an earlier reminder, time to get to the oven, time to remove the pizza, and time to finish crisp. This also factors that I'm not on the middle rack. Now we're going to jump 13 minutes ahead to a hot pizza. Now remember those oven mitts, put them on, or hold the pot holders. Remember the oven's really hot at this point. Carefully remove the hot pizza and place it on a surface that's not cold. A wooden chopping board or rivets can work. Now, your pizza's done and you're all set to enjoy.